Space is strange. But this might be one of the strangest ideas ever imagined. There could be objects in the universe that nothing can enter. Not dust. Not light. Not even time as we understand it. They're called white holes. You've probably heard of black holes. Regions of space so dense that their gravity traps everything. Once you cross the edge, the event horizon, there's no coming back. Everything falls in and disappears forever. Now imagine the exact opposite. A cosmic object that nothing can fall into. Instead, it forces everything out. Matter, energy, light, exploding outward, non-stop. That's a white hole. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This idea comes straight from real physics. From the equations of general relativity, developed by Albert Einstein. When scientists solved these equations, they found something surprising. If black holes can exist, then mathematically, white holes can exist too. But here's where things get even more mind-bending. White holes may be connected to black holes through something called wormholes. Think of it like a tunnel through space and time. On one side, a black hole pulling things in. On the other, a white hole pushing things out. What goes in must come out somewhere. This raises a crazy possibility. If you fell into a black hole, you might not be destroyed. You might be transported across the universe, or even into another universe. An exit through a white hole. But reality isn't that simple. There's a major problem. White holes seem to break one of the most fundamental rules of the universe: the direction of time. In our universe, time always moves forward. We remember the past, not the future. But a white hole would require time to run in reverse. Instead of things falling in, they would be forced out. Instead of chaos increasing, order would appear from nowhere. And that's something we've never observed. And that leads to the biggest issue of all. We've never seen a white hole. Not with telescopes. Not with satellites. Not anywhere in the observable universe. Scientists have searched for signs. Strange bursts of energy. Unexplainable explosions. Anything that could match the behavior of a white hole. So far, nothing. Still, some theories refuse to let the idea go. One of them suggests something incredible: that the Big Bang itself might have been a white hole. Think about it. The entire universe suddenly expanding from a single point. Matter, energy, space, and time bursting outward. It almost looks like everything was ejected. Like a white hole on a cosmic scale. But even this idea is debated. Because the Big Bang doesn't behave exactly like a white hole would. And again, there's no direct evidence. Here's another possibility. White holes might exist, but only for a moment. They could form at incredibly small scales, appear suddenly, release energy, and vanish instantly. Too fast for us to detect. Too small for us to see. Some physicists even think they could be connected to dark matter, or hidden deep within quantum physics, where reality itself becomes uncertain. So what are white holes, really? Are they real objects, waiting to be discovered? Or just mathematical solutions? Beautiful but unreal? The truth is, we don't know. The universe is full of things we once thought were impossible. Black holes themselves were once just equations on paper. Until we found them. So maybe white holes are out there too. Silent. Invisible. Exploding into existence somewhere. Far beyond what we can see.